Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, ready to unlock exclusive features? Let's all learn about Cash App Premium account and how to upgrade your experience. So, what is this Cash App Premium? Cash App Premium is a special upgrade offers to select user or high value accounts. It gives you enhanced access, better limits, and VIP level support. With Premium, you get higher sending or receiving limits, priority customer support, custom cash cards designs, early access to new features, and business-friendly tools and analytics. This upgrade is perfect for business user, freelancer, or anyone who wants more control and faster services from Cash App. And here's how to get Cash App Premium. First, find and tap the green icon on your mobile device, then locate at the top right corner of your screen and scroll down and look for premium or upgrade options. So this section is only visible to eligible user. If you don't see it, it means you may not have received the access yet. And then tap upgrade and follow instruction. So you will need to verify your identity. For some users, especially business account, Cash App may ask for more details like business info or income source. And next, once verified, your account is instantly be upgraded to premium, and you will also receive a confirmation message inside the apps. And what you get with this premium? You get priority support, get faster help with a dedicated support line, then higher transactions limit that you can send and receive larger amount than standard user, and you also get a custom cash card. You design your own card with a special color, texture, or emoji. And next, early feature access. Be the first to try the new tools before they're released to everyone. And lastly, enhanced business tool. Gain access to advanced analytics and payment tracking if you use Cash App for work or sales. Now here's an important note. Premium is not available to all users, so Cash App rolls this out gradually based on account activity and invitation. And it's free to apply, but premium features will depend on your users. And lastly, you can check eligibility anytime by visiting your profile and look for the upgrade or premium section. And that's it. Set up Cash App games with premium perks, more power, more control all in one account. If this helped you out, like this video, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.